Okay, moving on to the pound dollar now. Um, Again here on this one, we kind of missed out on this one when I was in Vegas. We had the final bullish thrust there, removed to the close, and then retested perfectly there. And then we've seen the sort of big sell off from there. Um, I mean, looking at this market, it's obviously bearish on the weekly. I'm hoping we're going to get down to that 1.3844 level quite soon. You can see we've got a buy set up on the monthly, which is going to be completed at the end of this week. So I'd quite like to see us get down to that 1.3844 level. Excuse me. Which I've decided I'm going to also take profit on this position here at the 1.3844 level, and then I'm just going to look to get involved again. You know, as we get a move higher, I'm going to try and look to get involved again. I mean, the plan on this was to hold it and maybe get involved again at the 700 level, the 1.5700 level, but we didn't get up that high. And then also the plan was to get involved again on a retest at a 1.5128 level, which again we didn't quite get up that high. So I think the fact that all those kind of things have happened, and I mean currently it's about 1600 pips, so I'm gonna come out at this 1.38 sort of 50 level. I'll come out basically due to the fact of the 9 count on the monthly, and yeah, so I'm just kind of hoping that we do get down to this level. I mean, if we don't, then there's still going to be plenty of levels to play with, and I'll just hold this trade for longer. I mean, it's certainly bearish on the daily and on the monthly. I mean, we're going to be removing some key levels here on the monthly. I mean, you know, without the 9 count, you know, ignoring the 9 count, it's still is bearish, this market overall. So I'm not too worried, but I feel maybe with the 9 count in place, and also by Tuesday if we stay below sort of the 1.4452, we'll complete a sort of double TD buy setup on the dailies without even having a thrust bar. So we've not even had a thrust bar for this 9 count yet. So if we stay till Tuesday and we stay lower and hit this target, and then, you know, I think we could be seeing a bounce in this pair you know, quite soon. So I'm just kind of thinking that I'll maybe come out if we get down to the weekly level. So in terms of bounces, you know, it's obviously a larger scale. So monthly we're on a 9 count buy setup. So if we hit this weekly support on the month on sorry, we hit this strong weekly support level, and we have a buy setup in place on the monthly, then it's going to be you know, fairly strong. So we could definitely see a bounce from there, but I don't think it'll alter the overall sort of bias on the market. But it just might be a time to maybe lighten the load at that point. So yeah, so I'm hoping that we're going to get down towards that 1.38 level before we get a bounce, but just going to keep an eye on it. But the other thing I'm going to do here is if we do make the buy setup by Tuesday, we're obviously going to make the buy setup in pound yen as well, most likely anyway. Then I'll probably start to look to go long on this pair as well, just on a sort of you know, the short term basis basically. So we'll just have to wait and see how things go. But like I say, if we do complete a double TD buy setup, then I'd imagine the thrust bar could have quite a lot of power with it. So I'll be looking to take a buy to cover the short that I've got if obviously we don't get down to the 3844 level first. At which point I'd obviously take this sell out and start looking to buy sort of on a more short term to medium term basis. But ultimately, this market is bearish, and fully see us going down to parity at some point in the next sort of 6 to 12 months. So yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see. So on that one again, we'll wait till Tuesday and see where we are. If we can complete another buy setup, then I think it should be pretty strong. Okay, cheers.